कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को।
Hi, my name is Santosh Kumar and I am an international korfball referee, as well as I am also a member of Indian Korfball Committee. This is the only sport in the world where men and women play together. Moreover, this is a sport which is recognized by International Olympic Committee. And world where we can see men and women playing together, and very soon it will be an Olympic sport. For the Olympics, which is scheduled to happen in Japan. So this was one of the contenders to take a berth. However, we were a little bit unsuccessful, and I am sure in the next Olympics this sport will take a place, because International Olympic Committee is going with an agenda wherein they want mixed gender equality, and this sport supports that mixed gender equality equation. And I'm sure in the days to come, korfball will be the sport to recon. Everybody will come ahead and will play korfball. Very much thankful to Sports Coaching Foundation under the leadership of Sai Baba sir for encouraging and giving us an opportunity to come and play this sport over here. And moreover, he is taking care of this entire championship. I mean to say the entire expenditure is taken care by Sai Baba sir. Thank you very much, sir.
My name is Amita. I am a basketball and a korfball player. Korfball have represented India 2 times, and this is a sport which I've been playing since my schooling. Like when I was in 9th class, I have started playing korfball in Nizam College. After that, I have played many nationals, but there is still no development in this game. I think this is a very lovely sport, and this is the only mixed sport in the world which is played by men and women together. And it is very, 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 skillful game. I think this should be developed, because normally when we have women's sport, women are mostly told as very weak, but when we are played together with boys, I think women also get chance to show themselves what they are.
Good evening, I'm Kumudini. I'm working as a lecturer in Physical Education College at Domalguda. I'm very much impressed to see my game in such a big standard where we are coming outside to play. It gives us a lot of scope so that we can see it in upcoming days. We'll be seeing that it will be reaching into great heights. We are very thankful to the ground over here. Very happy to see that Sports Coaching Foundation in Masap Tank is organizing a tournament over here. We are very much pleased that we are witnessing for the very first time, as in such, I have started playing. In my graduation, I started playing. Since then, we haven't seen a floodlight match. We are very much happy to see that, and very soon we'll be seeing our
good players.
Upcoming players.
Members of Telangana Korfball Association, a special thanks to Sai Baba sir for increasing the korfball sport. I know korfball very well. I am with the corporation in the last 20 years. Recently I left this association. Now Santosh, Jani and other people, they are working hard for the korfball. I wish them good luck. Korfball, handball, basketball, they are all elite games of all. Like this, elite games, they can play, a korfball player can play handball player can play korfball, and korfball player can play basketball. Recently, a boy playing korfball, Ganesh Singh, got job as inspector in income tax department. This is a achievement.
Please talk from Dr. Abdul Hari, who is a triple national. He is also an MBBS doctor, and he trained table tennis for the state. say cricket, of course, he played for almost for India in UP, Hyderabad. He scored more than 16 centuries and 3 double centuries, and he was the captain of Kuwait. Long time he played in Bombay. Now last 25 years he's living in the US. He's in Michigan. He's living it, and he's also coach there at the doctor. And a well-experienced sportsman in America. I think he might have seen this game. That I request Dr. Abdullah to speak on this occasion.
Respected Sinha sir, Rajesh, Professor Rajesh, and I have to take a name with great respect of Sai Baba, who has done a lot of things over here. He is the first in so many things, including this. I was thinking that you could have made a mistake in the spelling of cockpot. So this was something new. As he said, I haven't seen this sport anywhere. And I would say Sai Baba has always been number one in so many things, and this is not an exception over here. I didn't see how you people play this game, but looks like that quite a few girls and boys have played together, and they must have enjoyed at the same time beating each other.
Understand, and we can have a tie-up in a long time totally here. A lot of events we can sponsor in the future also, and Santosh Kumar Garu just.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
स्पोर्ट्स कोचिंग फाउंडेशन हैदराबाद। SCF खेलों के माध्यम से भारत निर्माण परियोजना कार्यान्वित कर रहा है, जिसकी पहुंच निम्न आय संस्थानों में लगभग 25,000 सुविधा विहीन बच्चों तक है। SCF ने क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, खो खो, कबड्डी, वॉलीबॉल, टेनिस और बास्केटबॉल जैसे खेलों को बढ़ावा देने के लिए सरकारी स्कूलों, अनाथालयों और स्लम क्षेत्रों में खेल उपस्कर उपलब्ध कराए और बुनियादी खेल अवसंरचना का सृजन किया। इसका उद्देश्य खेलों के माध्यम से व्यक्तित्व विकास भी है। स्पोर्ट्स कोचिंग फाउंडेशन हैदराबाद को विकास के लिए खेलों के क्षेत्र में उनके योगदान को मान्यता प्रदान करते हुए राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार 2015 प्रदान किया जाता है। ये पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगे श्री के साई बाबा, फाउंडिंग सेक्रेटरी, स्पोर्ट्स कोचिंग फाउंडेशन। श्री के साई बाबा।